Hello, this is Amanda with the National Weather Service in Grand Forks with a quick weather briefing taking us through the Thanksgiving holiday weekend. An active weather week is expected, so make sure to stay tuned to the most updated forecast for your daily commute or any holiday travel plans. A fast-moving clipper system brought some light snow and rain to northern portions of the region today to start the new work week. Snowfall across this area is not expected to accumulate too much, but is creating some slick travel conditions, so be sure to use caution on your commute home this afternoon and evening. Next, we move into the Tuesday and Wednesday time frame. A strong low-pressure system is expected to develop east of the Rockies by Tuesday morning. The system will then track to the east and northeast, eventually reaching near the Chicago area by Wednesday morning. Significant weather impacts are expected to areas along and north of this low-pressure system. At this time, eastern North Dakota looks to escape the brunt of this system, with the possibility of some light snow moving into parts of northwestern Minnesota. However, travel into South Dakota, southern Minnesota, Iowa, and Wisconsin will likely be impacted by heavy snow, strong winds, and reduced visibility throughout the day Tuesday and possibly extending into early Wednesday. Here's a look at the current forecast snow amounts across the upper Midwest with this Tuesday-Wednesday system. Note that if this system decides to track even just slightly further north than currently forecast, additional impacts could reach into our area. So what about Thanksgiving Day? Another low-pressure system forming out in the Rockies will be something to watch as we get closer to the Thanksgiving holiday and head into the weekend. However, at this time, our neck of the woods should avoid any major impacts on Thanksgiving Day itself. There will be some light snow around that could create some minor travel hazards at times. However, the impacts from this system will really begin to ramp up following the Thanksgiving Day holiday and throughout the weekend. So, what are we looking at immediately following the Thanksgiving holiday? By the time we get to Friday morning, the low-pressure system out near the Rockies will be strengthening and start moving to the northeast. As this system moves closer to our region throughout the day, snowfall is expected to increase in intensity. However, the worst impacts will likely come on Saturday, as the heavier snowfall is expected to continue, along with increasing winds bringing the potential for blizzard conditions. While snowfall may begin to taper off by Sunday, strong winds could linger, continuing to create visibility and travel issues. Note that this system is still several days away from impacting our region, so the timing of the greatest impacts can and likely will change at least a little bit. So how much snow could we expect with the post-Thanksgiving system? It's a little early to pin down the exact snow amounts, but graphics such as this one can give us an idea of the range of possibilities. This graphic depicts the potential range of snow totals for Fargo, North Dakota from Friday evening through Sunday morning. The large spread between all of these lines in the graphic indicates the potential range of the snowfall totals is still very large at this time. 2 to 4 inches of accumulation is possible on the low end, indicated in the yellow box, with anywhere from 8 to 18 inches not out of the realm of possibilities, as seen in the red box. The same can be said for most locations across the rest of eastern North Dakota and northwestern Minnesota. This kind of uncertainty is unfortunately normal this far away in time. However, the details for this post-Thanksgiving system will continue to be refined in the coming days, including how strong the winds will be and the potential for blizzard conditions. The bottom line is that this is shaping up to be a very active week weather-wise, so be sure to stay tuned to the latest forecast updates as we head towards the Thanksgiving holiday and beyond.